So here we are at Moss Force Waterfall. I know why they call it Moss Force now. Oh my god. Ah! All ready for the dignified entry. Yeah. Actually, it's not as cold as what I thought it would be. So I'm just gonna bob in. Woo! No. You can cling on to edges, to be fair, and how you, if you want to test how deep it is, but oh no, it's not. Bloody hell! No light splashing me, is there? I reckon it obviously, if it's more rainfall, it gets more deeper. Oh, it's a nice little easy one, this one is. Look, it's a nice, you can sit on there. Oh, you got...
Hi, we're YorkshireLad and Lass Outdoors. I'm Sam and this is Steve, and we love to spend our spare time chasing waterfalls and wild swimming spots in the UK, whilst car camping in our DIY micro camper.
a bit mossy, isn't it? A bit mossy.
Which one was it? Definitely. Oh, puddle.
So we're back in this spot again. Such a lovely spot this is. Very quiet around here. To say it's a Saturday, you think there'll be loads of people out and it's really busy, but it's not. There's a few people down there. They've been out on paddle boards. Look at that water. All glistening under the sun. When you find a good spot like this, you just want to... Luckily it was still here, so it's nice to come back to it.
Yeah, but we're going to pack up one, won't we? What's a bit on slant.
Yeah.
But not far away, is it?
No.
We might squeeze that one, mightn't we?
Yeah. I'll show you this one up here. Just wait till this car's gone. But yeah, even this one's empty. Blue sky today. Supposed to get to -3 tonight though. That's a nice view of that gate hole. Just come for a little stroll, evening stroll. Aren't we, Stephen?
We certainly have. What a beautiful place.
It is, yeah. We thought we'd seen a lot of lakes, but I don't even think we've covered a quarter of it. We've never been to this lake before. Crummock water.
What a gem it is.
It is. It's a lot bigger than Buttermere as well. I thought Buttermere was quite a big lake, but it's a lot bigger. Some nice reflections going on there. Isn't there?
Yeah, it's getting my story, isn't it?
So a bit of information for you about Crummock water. It is approximately 2.5 miles long, half of mile width, 44 metres deep. That's deep, isn't it?
Yeah. It reckons today it's 4.7 degrees cold.
Yeah. I would have said that, wouldn't you?
Yeah, definitely, yeah. Yeah, under 5, yeah.
So it's classed as still very, very cold. Does it get warmer then, as
Yeah.
season moves in?
Yeah, it does, yeah.
Summer?
Yeah, average summer temperature is 12.7.
Oh, that's not bad then.
That's very warm, that is.
It is, yeah. Making it an ideal place really for paddleboarding and stuff, isn't it? And open water swimming, if you're good at that kind of thing. We like swimming in the dips, but I wouldn't have said we were good swimmers, would you?
No, no. But if I did any open water swimming, I think I'd wear my wetsuit, a bit more buoyancy.
Oh yeah, you'd have to, definitely, yeah.
For warmth and buoyancy.
Yeah. And maybe armbands.
Maybe armbands, yeah, definitely. Maybe a safety boat. Or two.
So the Mr. Kiplings are out tonight, angel cakes. And Steve got his. So we've had hot dogs for tea, but unfortunately my microphone wasn't switched on, so you'll just get a quiet one. I'll put some music over that one. So we're all settled down for the night in Hotel Picasso. It's currently, I think we're 18 degrees inside, are we? Oh, 17.
Yeah.
And it's 5 degrees outside. But it does actually feel really warm in here tonight. It's very comfortable, isn't it?
Yeah, very comfortable.
Don't feel cold one bit. So that's it for today. We've had a long day and we're knackered out, we're really.
I think the forecast gives it -3 tonight outside.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's going to be a really cold night tonight.
But we'll see. Last night was 1 degree, wasn't it?
Yeah. But we're nice and snugly warm in here.
Yeah.
So yeah, movie time. Movie tonight is called Feast. It's a bit like Dusk Till Dawn, that kind of movie. So yeah, good night then, everybody.
Good night then.
Can't do this by myself, honey. Yeah.
So this is just one of the gadgets that Steve uses to make him look beautiful. It's his, is it a roller shaver?
Head shaver.
Or head shaver?
Skull shaver, yeah.
Yeah. So that's a before.
Halfway, I was halfway through it.
Do-do-do.
I've got tough bristles, I use that.
Electric pre-shave, yeah. It's quite good, isn't it?
It gives you less rest, I reckon.
Yeah. And we'll do an after shot. So there he is, all looking young and beautiful again.
The test is this: mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's the first up the wall? Go on, Stephen.
And the shaver is a Remington's one. It's from Argos, around £60 or £70 when we got it.
A bit of a soft skin.
Yeah, what is it? Nivea, yeah, protecting care.
And the worst one.
A wet shave would be a lot quicker, wouldn't it? But it's just a lot messy about when you're
Yeah,
tiny,
it is. And it's more up board now, isn't it?
Yeah.
So my shaving my daughter about me. For about 7 years, she goes everywhere camping with me. Worst bit. Ah! That's like a big girl.
So that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you've enjoyed it.
And what a good spot we've chosen this time. I found lucky to get.
Yeah, definitely, yeah.
I think Sam said it's on park for a night, but we found it by chance, didn't we?
Yeah. Yeah, we were just driving past, and then when we was here, I actually looked on park for a night, and it is on there. So I'll put the name of the road on screen, and if you guys want to have a look at it, if you're ever around here, if it's free, this spot, it's a good one.
Yeah. Half standing and all.
Yeah. I'll leave you with these views. And please don't forget, if you like our videos, if you could comment, like and subscribe. It really helps our channel to stay in the algorithm.
Yeah,
apparently.
We're getting close to 2,000 subs now, aren't we?
Yeah, we are. Yeah, we're really chuffed if we get 2,000 subs, because we pushed it, didn't we, for 1,000. We couldn't believe it when we got the 1,000. So to get 2 would be, yeah, it'd be good.
Good, yeah.
So see you later. Thanks. Bye.